What's going on, everyone? Vitaly here, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to create Tripadvisor affiliate links. Now, I'm someone that actually is an active Tripadvisor affiliate, and if I head over to my reports on my affiliate sales, you'll notice here it says Tripadvisor. I've gotten 314 sales, which are equivalent to over $300 in affiliate sales, which are now pending and ready to go. But I'm going to show you how to create Tripadvisor affiliate links in this video. Now, real quick, what you need to understand is that before you can promote Tripadvisor offers, you actually have to become an approved affiliate for Tripadvisor. And in order to do that, you have to sign up with one or more companies that have Tripadvisor as one of their merchants. Now, there are at least two. You have Commission Junction, which is also known as CJ. So if you go into the Tripadvisor affiliate page and you scroll down, it'll say CJ sign up, and that's actually initially how I used to promote Tripadvisor affiliate offers. But then I switched over to a place called Travel Payouts, which also has Tripadvisor as one of their merchants, and I found this to be way easier to use because it's way easier to create affiliate links and get paid here, in my personal opinion. Now, what I will also say is that before I show you the process of creating affiliate links and travel payouts for Tripadvisor, if you're someone that's new to affiliate marketing, maybe trying to be a travel affiliate, you're trying to create a blog, a YouTube business, and all that kind of stuff, and make travel sales so you can live more freely and stuff, I will leave a link below this video to a case study that showcases my main site that actually makes Tripadvisor sales, as well as others that funds my travels. So if you're interested, you're new, you're struggling, and you want to know how this all works and how I make it work, you can check this out. You'll get a free case study that'll explain the process and how you can get started with doing this as well. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is actually sign up, like I said before, with an affiliate program that has Tripadvisor as one of their merchants, and I'm going to be using Travel Payouts as the main thing. You can actually sign up with this program for free. I will also leave a link below the video to Travel Payouts. But what you do is, once you sign up for Travel Payouts, you're going to head over to the left-hand menu that's over here that opens up. You're going to click on the down arrow where it says Programs, click on All, and this will show the different programs that are available. So these are other travel places you can sign up with. Now, once you see this, you're going to want to type in Tripadvisor. I have it auto-filled over here. So here is Tripadvisor, and you'll notice that Travel Payouts is checkmarked. That means that I'm an approved affiliate. In your case, you will have to apply. You'll see the button here to apply to Tripadvisor once you're in this page as well, but I find that the approval is very quick. It's very effortless, so you'll be able to do that quickly and get that check mark as well. Now, assuming that happens, the next step is to click on Tools. And once you click on Tools, it'll actually take you to the Create a Link, an affiliate link place. Now, you'll see that the target URL here is already tripadvisor.com, and actually over here where it says Created Link, this is actually your affiliate link, which will take people, if I open it up in a new page, to the home page of Tripadvisor. Now, this is actually going to be your affiliate link, but what I recommend that people do is actually create specific links to specific places on to specific pages on Tripadvisor, because that's going to make your promotions of travel offers much more specific to your audience. So let me take an example of a place where I actually promote Tripadvisor offers actively. So here's my website, thenatureseeker.com, and here is one post that I created not too long ago called Anna Maria Island, which is a popular place in Florida. And on this post, I actually have quite a few affiliate links. A few that go to Tripadvisor and others that go to other places that are other affiliate networks. But let's take the one that is going to Tripadvisor. So this last sentence right here says checking out this Tripadvisor page on Anna Maria Island. If you look at the bottom left, this is actually an affiliate link that leads people to a page that says things to do on Anna Maria Island. So this is a very specific page that people go to. And now that they click on this post, this page, this is an affiliate link. So there's I believe a 14-day cookie. So as long as people are browsing through Tripadvisor for the next 14 days, I'll be getting affiliate sales for that. But the way that I created this affiliate link was simple. What I did was, you're going to want to actually head over to the official Tripadvisor.com page and find a specific place that you want to go to. So let's say we take Anna Maria Island, which is the target over here. I'm going to go into Tripadvisor. I'm going to type in Anna Maria Island, and I'm going to click Enter. And when I click Enter, I'm going to try to find what the most relevant results are. And Anna Maria Island, here it is, number 1. So I click on this, And once I click on this, you'll notice that there's a menu at the very top. You have the actual Anna Maria Island, which is this page that we're on. You have hotels, so I can promote hotels, things to do, restaurants, and so on and so forth. But I'm going to click on things to do. Now, any of these pages or any page on Tripadvisor that you are on, you can take the top URL up here, head over to Travel Payouts, go over here, paste this URL in here, and it will turn it into an affiliate link. So in this case, what I want to do is I want to take this things to do on Anna Maria Island that we have over here, and I want to turn it into an affiliate link. So the way that I do that is I head up here, I highlight this URL, which is the page that leads over here, and I'm going to go into Travel Payouts. And I'm going to go back into where it says target URL, and I'm going to erase this one, and I'm going to paste this long link that I have up here. And what you'll notice is there is a new created link that is my affiliate link. So now if I actually open this up, it will take people to the same exact page, but now it will be hard-coded with my affiliate link. And this link right here is what I'm going to be sharing on a blog post, on a YouTube video, maybe some kind of social media page. If, let's say, I'm creating content on, best things to do on Anna Maria Island, a first-time visitor guide, whatever the case is. Now, you also have the ability to create what is known as a sub-ID down here. And the reason why you want to use this is, let's say that you are trying to promote this things to do on Anna Maria Island across different things. Perhaps a blog post like I have over here. Perhaps you're creating a YouTube video and you want to know where your sales are coming from. So this is where you would type that in. So let's say that I am creating an affiliate link here. I will also add blog post, and now you'll see this affiliate link updates, and I will take this link, which will now be hard-coded with my link to things to do on Anna Maria Island, but it will also additionally have the sub ID. And I will go into my blog post, and I will actually, let me go into the back end over here. Let's say that I want to take this over here, Anna Maria Island. I highlighted, I take this link, and then I paste this link, which is that Tripadvisor one, and then I hit enter. So now this link is my affiliate link that goes to the best things to do in Anna Maria Island. Now, if I wanted to take, let's say, a YouTube video, I would type in YouTube video, this link would update, and then I take this link and put it in the description of the YouTube video, perhaps as a pinned comment, but I would know that if sales were coming from the YouTube video, it will be known because I put this in here. So that's how you create Tripadvisor affiliate links, at least through Travel Payouts. I find it to be the easiest place to do it, and that's how I do it, at least, which gets me the sales that I showed you before. Now, again, I will leave a link below the video if you're new to affiliate marketing, travel affiliate marketing, and you want to build a business out of it like I do with my website over here. It does make me a decent income, and I am growing it. I will leave a link below the video to a free case study that explains how it all works and how you can start following in my footsteps as well to do this too. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.